What's up, guys? So we're gonna do my boy Polito. What's your Jose? Sorry, we're in the military name basis here. So we're gonna take off his stock OEM cold air intake first, and then we're gonna get up on jack stands, and then we'll start taking stuff apart from there. Look at this guy, getting it. There you go. Alright, so we'll update you as we go, but it's going to be a lot of work, so we're trying to get this done. We'll record as much as we can. Look at that sexy car parked outside. Alright, guys. Still connected with something?
Yeah, right here. Oh, I gotta rip this tire off.
So I think after this, Polito's going to want to get a cold air intake right away. Which you are, right?
Yeah, of course.
Which one are you getting?
PMS?
PMS. It's a clean engine bay, bro. This is 2017, right?
Yeah.
5.0. That's a V6, right?
Huh?
It's pretty clean, bro. It looks like a 4 Mondeo inside, though. I'm kidding. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Sweet. So we got it out, and then we're gonna get the car up on jack stands, and then we're gonna loosen these motor mounts. Oh hell yeah! That gave us a lot more room. So now we can actually see what we're doing, bro. So uncomfortable. Because he was just sitting there, he was like hotboxing the whole garage a week. He was just like,
He was like, wow.
he's like, I gotta drive when I go back, and he can only have like a beer or two, so you know. Alright, what we got here? Okay, so you got it. Alright, bro. So, get some studio lighting up in here. Oh yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah. So, we got the car in jack stands. My jack stands are a little high, so we're using the pitch welds. Got some race ramps for support in case we want to die today. Got it. Daddy got it. Okay. Alright, so he's removing the bolts right here. There's 4.
Yeah.
And those are the clamps that go to his X-pipe. I could have fabricated the X-pipe for you too.
Alright, I get it.
Just letting you know. Hey.
Oh shit, this whole shit's dropping.
Yeah, it's going to. That's what I was talking about earlier. That's why I got the tire there. So you can slide it under the... Because I don't have a transmission stand. You know, like...
So you want to slide a tire under this?
Yeah, just to hold it up. Because it's going to fall if not. And I don't feel like taking the whole exhaust off from the back.
Me neither.
And I don't have 4 jack stands either. So.
Exactly.
Which I guess I need to get now.
And benefit.
Yeah. I mean, we probably could get away with using the race ramps back there, but...
Yeah.
There's a lot more room to work in your car than I thought there was going to be, though.
Really?
Yeah, Norman's is a lot tighter. It's actually not that bad. Oh, shit. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that off.
What?
Right
This
there.
right here?
Yeah. And then the whole thing's going to drop down together. And then we'll take the O2 sensor out from there. Got it?
Alright, so let's go.
Alright, so we're having trouble getting the okay, so we had trouble getting this off here. It's just like so tight and there's no room to get into it, so we're gonna just try to take it off without taking that off. I think we have room for that, so We marked the steering rack. You see that in the video? Oh yeah, there it is. So we marked it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby me. And that's just to mark the orientation, so we put it back together, we know where it's at. And we're gonna take that out. Then we're gonna take off the motor mounts, and then we'll jack up from the oil pan using a 4x4 and a jack, and that will be it. So you see how tight it is. It's fucking ridiculous, actually.
Well, once you take this off, it'll fill some more space. Oops.
You love knocking crap in my face. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do. We took off the lead pipe, and it helped to take off the back of the exhaust. There was like 4 bolts, right?
Yeah, 4 bolts
Or
here.
6.
Well, yeah, 4 bolts here and then 6 in the back.
Yeah. And then bag everything as you take it off so you don't mix them up. Don't put them all in the same bag like this guy. Hey, this is for the Mustang. Put this in a baggie.
This looks like it goes on the Mustang.
So here's the lead pipe we took off on the driver's side. Oh, we did video the starter, right? Alright, so the starter is, there's a powder cap on there, which is that one right there. Boy, I guess, there we go. Powder cap and the ground, and then there was 3 bolts. Yeah. But other than that, that's pretty much it. So I guess we'll just keep grinding away and update you as we completely fail at everything else. Alright, so we got the motor mount bracket off. This is what it looks like. It's 4 bolts, and then this one's for the main stud. We took the stud off from the top here, and then took the 4 off from the bottom. Those are the 4 bolts. And then we got the jack here on the edge of the oil pan with some wood, and we got it jacked up a little bit. But now you can see how much more space we have to actually get access to the bolts. Is that a good view? I can see. Alright, bro. So now Jose, not me, is gonna take all those 16 bolts off the manifold. Alright? What do you think about that?
Sounds good.
Alright, dude. Get on it. Let's go.
What size are these, 15s?
Yeah, 15s, all of them.
You wanna give me a 15s out here?
Yeah, let me go ahead and do my job. Okay, so Jose's working on the nuts for the exhaust manifold right now. We're just bagging and tagging everything so we know where everything's at when we go to put it back on. Starter, motor mount bracket. I think I'm gonna set the tripod up over here so they can just watch you do stuff and scream.
Fuck you.
Get mad. You mad, bro?
Just a wee bit.
But it seems like we got it up high enough to do the headers anyway. I was worried about that. He's on this.
Yeah.
So tell us what you're feeling right now, mate.
I fucking hate this shit.
You having a mad time?
I'm having an amazing time.
Like 20 minutes ago you said you love this shit, man. Said you fucking hate it and shit. I don't know what to believe now. Alright. Put the music back on. Record a time lapse.
Couple pins in the location. I'ma pull up in the coupe spaceship. Drop off a bag of some thank you.
Jose just took out the driver side OEM one. How do you feel, bro?
Fuck this shit.
You good, dude?
Good.
Now let's hear it rip. Alright, dude.
Turn it on real quick.
Hell yeah.
What size wrench do you think that is? The O2s.
Oh, it didn't come with them?
The wrench, the O2 sensors? No, you gotta put them in.
So the white O2 is for the cat, and then this one is the one that goes right into the manifold. So upstream. Alrighty.
Good with the paint.
So we're putting in the O2 sensors into the new headers. What are these again? Powerless?
Stainless power.
Fuck with you, dude. You see what I did? So he's putting the extensions it comes with on the bottom collector area. And then we're going to use the factory gaskets it came with because they're still in good condition. And then we will bolt these back up. Make sure you don't over tighten these or else you'll snap a stud. And then you have a big problem. Okay? Guess we'll just keep updating you as we go. Did we leave anything out? That's pretty much all we did. There was 8 nuts on the side we had to take out. And it took forever. So we got the jack on there, gave it a little relief. And he just, you know, had to work him out with definitely the ratchet wrench. It worked pretty well, right?
Yeah.
We need to be old, you know? And make like a video like the old guys. So, step 1 will be, go ahead. Right, dude?
Nah, dude.
You don't want to be like that?
Nah,
Just more like vlog style, right?
Yeah. Is it this one that got longer?
Huh?
Okay. Alright, where's that glue thing? I came with it.
I'm just a vlogger.
You're just a vlogger. You're here for the content.
Here for the content, dude. Alright, so he's going to put the gaskets on. What did he see apply? What brand is that?
This?
Yeah.
Calco.
Aluminum, all one silicone gasket. Alright, cool. Go.
It smells like ass.
Ooh, just use a little on your finger. Is that even cut on the end?
Gotta do everything.
Yes. Don't get too close to the inside there.
I'm gonna fuck this glove.
Okay. What do you want?
The header?
Okay, guys. Side note: the 12-inch one is for this side.
The 24 inches for the other one. The 12-inch one is for here.
24-inch is for the passenger side. 12 inches for the driver's side. This looks like 12 inches. Oh, is this the one you want?
No, I already put it on.
This looks like 12 inches.
Alright, the 12-inch one is for the passenger and the 6 inches for the... I don't know the measurements.
Did you just put the same one back on, bro?
No, bro, I switched it out.
How long is that one?
Short.
How short? Let me see. Let me see how short. Show us how short.
This is literally how short it is.
Okay, you're right. He's lucky. Alright, we're going to install the header now. Bye. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put on some Loctite, some high temperature Loctite, just on all the studs before we put the header on. That way it doesn't rattle loose or, you know, due to expansion from heat and stuff, come loose later. Oh, God, got a bug in my ear, dude. Wait, this car doesn't have Ferrari lights?
No, dude, the header's on.
Yeah, okay, so we got all 8 of the nuts on. We used the OEM studs that were already in there because we didn't ruin any taking it off. Just tighten them as much as you can and then snug them up. Don't over tighten them. Don't really worry about torque specs on these because if you snap them, it's a pain in the ass to fix it. So just get them all like snugged up and then give it like a little extra tightening. I was able to get the 3 on top up here from the top of the engine bay, so I'm assuming you're going to be able to do the same thing on the other side. And then he was able to get all the rest. You just used a deep socket, right?
Yeah, except for the very last. I used the deep socket except for one of them. So
Okay.
Mainly deep socket down below, and then the
One was your, okay. Yeah, one for the ratchet wrench. We used a little bit of RTV to help seal the gasket. And yeah, the extensions that comes for the O2 sensors is for the rear. It says front on there, but literally the rear one doesn't reach, so it's clearly for the rear, in case you guys are wondering. And then this is how the driver's side is going to look. And that's about it, right? That's all we did?
bring the motor mount.
Yeah, so after you do that, just reinstall the motor mount to the 4 bolts, torque those to spec, and then reinstall the steering shaft, and that's about it for that side. Then we'll switch back to the other side and repeat the process. Alright, so he's still finishing taking that off on that side. This side I got it all buttoned up. We went ahead and figured out the O2 sensor dilemma. So you need the extender on the front one. So it is for the front one. The short one's on this side, right, dude?
Yeah, the short one's in the rear, but yeah.
Yeah, so but the 12 inches for the driver's side, 24 inches for the passenger side, and then yeah. So I got the lead pipe on there, clamped it down. I think that was a 15 millimeter socket. For the O2 sensor in the rear, it won't reach. So what you could do is pop off that clip, and then I flipped it around and pushed it right back up to the hole on the other side, and it actually works perfect. And on this side, I'm making something to zip tie it back up to the front on that bolt, and that'll be that. This side's all wrapped up. Just gotta finish tightening all this back here after he gets that side off and get the new one on, and then we are done. I can't fucking wait. Alright guys, so we got the passenger side OEM header out. We ended up just leaving that connected to the cat, and just a heads up, when you put in your headers, the bottom studs right here, the last 2, you gotta take those out because it just won't go in there. You'll fight it forever. So just use the Torx. What was it, a E11? I don't remember. But put a Torx on the studs, and then just take those 2 out closest to the right, the bottom right. Take both of those out, and it'll just pop right in. We fought it for a while, then we just freaking took the studs out and used the stainless ones that they supplied us, and it was way easier. So maybe use stainless on all of them to save you some heartache in the future. But yeah, other than that, we're just going to button up the exhaust, put the cold air intake back on, put the rest of the motor mounts back on, and then we are done. So the last thing will be a cold start to wake up the whole neighborhood. Slow boys. Alright, so we just finished. Go ahead and drop the oh, look at that, they stay stacked. That's a pro. Okay. Put the ramps under the car. How's your tune going?
68%.
60%.
Should be done by the time
Okay. So here's his tune he did. After everything's done, we had to reflash the PCM and install his custom tune. You had to pay extra for the Loon tune or Lund tune, whatever.
Yeah.
So there's that. Where'd you get the Lund tune from?
Online. You just order it. Go to the website.
Oh, okay. Alright. That's pretty much it. So now we're going to get the car down and then we'll do a start. As soon as that's done reflashing the ECU and everything. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. It was great. Really.
You want to record it for me? It's
Yeah.
a very special moment right now.
Okay, I got you, bro. Alright. How do I do this?
Just either hold the volume button or hold the center button. The little circle?
Yeah.
And it'll start recording.
Okay. Wait, hold on. Don't do. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit. Oh,
This is so loud.
I don't know if I messed that up or not, but I got it on here. Oh my god. Dude, that was loud. If I mess that up, I'll send it to you. At least it's quieter now. That's your cold start?
Yeah.
My neighbors would kill me. Alright, bro.
Alright.
Later, dude. Thanks for coming over, man.
Thanks for letting me do it here.
Take it easy, bro. That's wild, dude. That sounds cool. Dang. Later. Oh my god, that's so sick.